What is up? And I'm gonna just be doing my filming a quick and easy everyday work. Why am I praying? Do on your own. You can honestly, anyone could do this. I hope that you enjoy. Yeah. Everything I do normally, I'll do. If I go, you know, if you want to come, if you just want to get ready with me. What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. For today's video, I am gonna keep it simple. I'm gonna keep it drugstore. I'm gonna keep it as natural as possible, and I just kind of want to chill. That's all I want to do. That's all I want to do. So if you want to see a quick, natural, and easy makeup look, keep on watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, take one quick moment to do so. And if you like the video, don't forget, give it a like. And yeah, let's just get started. What is up with this face? Let me get closer to you, shall I? My dog chewed my contacts, so I have my glasses on, but I'm going to take them off because it's hard to do makeup with glasses on. I'm so blind right now. First thing I do is that I will prep my skin every single day with my Skin MD Natural Shielding Lotion. If you're looking for a good moisturizer that's made from natural ingredients, this is the one. After you've moisturized your face, you want to go in with the primer. I've been using this every single time I do my makeup. It's the Wet n Wild Primer Serum Base. It smells so delicious and it's just so pretty. It's so, okay. It's just like so refreshing, and it just mattifies all of your pores, but it still hydrates the skin. I love it. I think you're supposed to like put that like directly on your face, but I really don't know how to do that without looking like one of those Instagram weirdos. If you're an Instagram weirdo, I kid you not, you're cool. Okay, so this is my favorite ever drugstore palette. It's from Milani. It's the Pure Passions palette. I think this has the most beautiful wearable colors. I am gonna start adding a crease color. Let's go ahead and add this color right here in the middle. I think it's called Totally Fawn of You. Isn't that cute? Not even, you gotta prime your eyes first. Girl, prime your eyes. I just use concealer. This is the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop concealer. I'm gonna be applying that. I'm just gonna go in with this color here, and I'm just gonna set it with that. I'm just gonna set it everywhere. I'm gonna go into this peachy shade right here and just start applying that into your crease. And this could be very messy. You don't have to be precise. You just wanna lay out that nice wash of color onto your crease. For my lid color, go ahead and add just that same, this pinky shade right here. It's called Always Pink of Me. How cute. And we're just gonna take a brush. We're not gonna wet the brush. We're just gonna do a flat shader brush. Apply that to your lid. This is really just gonna cover up those veins if you have veins. And keep this very, very simple. Grab a more precise brush. So the first brush I use is for my crease, which is this big fluffy brush. This is the partner of the big fluffy brush, which is just to get in more in depth into the outer corners of your eye. I'm just gonna deepen the outer corners just to give a little bit more dimension to the eye look. I'm gonna go into this shade right here. I'm just gonna add a little bit. I am gonna tap it off because I'm gonna be very, very careful. I'm gonna start just applying that in the outer corner. Circular little motions. Keeping it just on that outer half. As a last step, I always like to go to my original color with the big fluffy brush. Just go into that peachy shade, tap it off, and I literally just like to go right around again in round motion. Just keeping it up high, just going right back around and making sure that is blended. That was cute. And I'm gonna go in and just start adding my foundation. I am going to be using my literal, everyday, heavenly, most amazing drugstore foundation that I feel like it's like a very high-end foundation, and I use this every single day for work. This is the L'Oreal Infallable Freshwear foundation. Believe me, if you're a person that loves high-end foundation and think that there's everything at the drugstore sucks, try this. Just watch it on my skin. Because I want the best coverage out of this, I'm gonna use a brush. This is a Morphe M439. Oh, this foundation smells so freaking amazing. For concealer, it's the NYX or NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop concealer. It's not as heavy as the Tarte Shape Tape, and I just feel like it highlights the face so nicely. Apply that. Setting powder, I'm gonna be using the Wet n Wild pressed powder. Okay, I'm gonna take in this gigantic brush from Real Techniques. I'm gonna take that powder. It's literally just gonna set everything. This powder is so, it's like a feather. It just mattifies, but like in a nice way. It's just like really, really nice. For bronzer slash contour, I'm gonna be using the Silky Matte bronzer from Milani. This is so beautiful. It's so creamy. It's very sheeny. It smells amazing. Honestly, it feels high-end. It feels like the Chanel bronzer that I don't have, but I've heard good things about it. Whoa, I added way too much. Just don't worry, I'm just gonna blend it. Bring that at the top. Blend it in your jawline. I like to press it in and drag it down. Next for blush is the Butter Blush from Physicians Formula. It is called in the color Vintage Rogue. Gorgeous. It's like a rosy, beautiful dusk color. I don't know, what is dusk? With my favorite blush brush in the whole wide world, the Morphe E4. It hugs your cheek like a miracle. Apply that. Keep it very light. For highlight, I was literally using this every single day. I'm just gonna be taking the more pinky side right here. So cute. Very, very pretty. For lipstick, I'm gonna be using the Ulta Beauty Matte Liquid Lipstick in the color Serenity. So pretty. This is like the perfect daytime lipstick. This is it. All right, guys, we are pretty much done with this naturalish, daytime appropriate work makeup look. I hope that you enjoyed this look. If you did, please don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so yet, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.